Welcome to WorkplaceBuddy. This is the Teams app that keeps you up to date and helps you get the most out of your digital workplace. Curious how it works? Let me show you. At the top of the app, you'll find different tabs. In Learn, you'll discover short videos of about 3 minutes each. You can follow them at your own pace and complete them whenever you like. Nice and easy. And your organization might also choose to make webinars, one-on-one sessions, or events available here. By completing learnings, you can earn badges. You'll find these under the Goals tab. You'll also earn points, which appear on the scoreboard. Here, you can voluntarily compete with your colleagues. Are you already confident in your skills? No problem. Under Goals, you'll also find skill sprints. These are short quizzes to test your knowledge. Answer correctly, and you'll instantly complete the easier learnings, so you can move on to more advanced ones. On the organization page, you'll see learnings created for or by your organization. Your organization can also add its own links here for extra information. You can even create your own learnings to help colleagues. Not sure how? No worries. Our how-to videos will guide you step by step. You'll also find the buddies here. For example, if you've earned 2 Excel or 2 PowerPoint badges, we'll also ask if you'd like to become a buddy. That way, colleagues can easily find you if they have questions. Your organization can also appoint you as a champion. You won't need to earn badges, but just like a buddy, you'll be available for questions. It's super useful and a great way to help each other grow. Through short scans on your profile, we get to know you better. Here, you can also set which updates you'd like to receive and how often. And where do these updates appear? That's easy, in the chat. Here, you can ask your own questions about Microsoft 365. On top of that, we'll proactively send you waves. These are helpful tips and updates, fully tailored to your preferences and always with your permission. So jump right in, and good luck.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn. See you next time.